Hello everyone, my name is Hashim Sada. I'm from SLU University, and my company's name, as you can see on the first slide, is called DryCover. Before we get started, I want to thank Smart Cycle Designs for designing this presentation. It's a beautiful presentation, you guys are going to love it. I'm going to be using my cursor since we can't meet in person to indicate some stuff on the slides. Okay, so this picture you have some liquid, right, that's on the laptop. Obviously it's going to damage the laptop. Pretty sure this has happened to some of you or somebody you know at least, right? Just a little bit of I don't know, soda, water, coffee, or even dust can damage your laptop quite a bit. So in DryCover we try to solve just that, right? We also try to go beyond that point. We try to offer more aspects to your covers, right? So for example, summer's coming up, right? So I don't know, why not use your laptop while you're in your swimming pool, right? Or write a report while you're taking a bath, or use it while it's raining. I know it's weird, but you have that option with DryCover, right? Keep it clean, keep it dry. That's what we try to do. We're gonna look at some designs right now, some initial designs. We have a couple, not many, but I hope you guys like them. Before we move on to the designs, though, I want to emphasize this aspect that's very important in DryCover. You pay a little extra for a lot more. So our main aspect is quality versus cost ratio. That's what we strive for. We try to give you a great product, right, for a price that is very reasonable, something that's really worth your money, right? So we try to develop smart designs, secure designs, completely liquid proof designs. So we're giving you a lot of options. Some of them even have inflatable bottoms so you could use in your swimming pool. And like all covers, they're shock absorbent, right? These are some of the designs that I just talked about. I like to call this one the suitcase-like design, right? Because it's like a suitcase. It has an inflatable bottom, a small cup holder right here, and then you can snap it right here, and then you can carry it from the top from right here. This is one of the designs. Here we have three different designs. This one to the far left is called the DryCover spray. So you would just spray it on your laptop and it would be completely liquid repellent, right? This is called the clam, where you put your iPad or your iPhone and it closes shut, and then you could use it from this right here, which is just like a thin strip of plastic where you could just touch your iPhone from the clam. This right here to the far right is called the DryCover bag, or DryCover one use bag, because you would just use it once, so it's completely transparent. So you would just close it off and it will cut off at the end, right? And after you're done, you just rip up the bag and use another one. We're trying to integrate ourselves in the laptop computer market, which is a huge market, right? We're trying to provide our products during the purchase of your laptops, and there's a lot of variety. Like we can go with Dell, we can go with Toshiba, we can go with any one of these companies, but what makes us special is our uniqueness, because we're not finding any company that's doing the same as what we're doing, right? Because we're not just making shock absorbing covers, we're actually going beyond that point. Okay, and like I said before, we try and offer quality for our products. Our next step is going to be looking at issue return covers, which is a lot because it's a very basic design. Also, we're trying to develop and design even more, designs than the ones that we looked at. We're trying to optimize a lot of stuff like the shape, size, and cost. Also, we're trying to look at test trials and see how the audience reacts to these designs. So why covers need to become something else? This is the last point I want to talk about. It's because they're very basic, and I already mentioned this, but I want to mention it again. They're very easy to break, right? There is no protection against any type of liquid, so I cannot use them in my bathtub, right? And that, I don't like that. I want to have that option, right? So why can't I have that option? Okay, but very few have this liquid proof option. Also, very few have screen protection, and again, it's a very basic design. So why not improve on that? And I feel like it's something, even though it's my company, but it's something I would want to have. just for a little more, you get a lot more. Thank you guys for listening, and I hope you enjoyed it.